Yeah, hello everyone. Hello. Um, I saw this somewhere, video making kits, and I love it. I fell in love with it, and I thought that I should share it because this is what every content creator should have. It's a thing that you should have. If you have ring lights, fine. If you don't have, this kit contains all of that. It's a total package. It's a total package, and you can get it from Amazon. You can get it on Jumia. You can get it even on Instagram. We have vendors that sells things like this. Like my mentor will always say, start with what you have. You don't have money for the big these instruments or tools. If you can afford this, fine. Now let's do the unboxing together. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, so this is the pack. This is what they have on the back. Application scenarios. They have the steps. But to make it easy, so let's do the unboxing together. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Ooh. Wow, this is it. All of. Okay, what do we have here? This is the stand. Then we have the phone stand. We have the mic. We have the remote. This remote is used to control the front and the back camera. If you want to use the back camera wherever you are, there's no need for you getting up, standing up. You can control it with this one. And this is the cord where you connect the your phone to the speaker. Oh, sorry, to the mic. Phone to the mic. And of course, the lights. The lights there, and it's bright and bright. And this light uses it uses battery. Let's see how many battery. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look at the battery space. That's 3 batteries. You arrange them there nicely. Okay. Batteries like this, the small battery. Okay, that's that. So now let's put them together and see what we have. Are you ready? Okay. So now this is the stand. Hold this for me, Mama. This is the stand. See what I did? It was like this. So all I need to do is to spread it out, the 2 legs, put it down. There's a button here where you can adjust and loose and tight. Okay, so what do we need to put first? I think I need to raise this a bit. So there's another button here for you to control this one. This is the surface where your the phone holder will stand on. So use this one to control it. Okay, what next? Then the phone stand. See, put it in a standing position like this. Then you tighten it. Tighten it so you can, okay. You can see now it's firm. Okay. So what next? Then we need the lights now. So, but we need to put the battery. Let me have the battery. Thank you. Okay, you can see set. Then you close it up. Okay, that's fine. There's a small button here. This is where you on the lights, and you can change the color of your light. If you want it white, you want it, see, you can see I'm increasing it. You see? That's good. Okay, but let's off it well, because we're still working here. So what do? There's another button here. So you slot it in. Then you tighten it with the screw there to make it firm. Then the mic. No, before the mic, this is my phone. Remember I told you that this is the phone stand, so we need to slot in our phone. Okay, that's fine. Then the mic. If you want to use the front camera, the mic should be facing you. But if you want to use the back camera, like this, okay, you want it this way. This is for the front camera. But if you want it, okay, let's say like this. So it depends on where you want to. Okay, this is this. Can you see? Okay. Then you connect at the back of the mic. There's a small hole where you connect the cord and the phone. See here. Then you can do your hello everyone. My name is this. Okay. Then remember I said there's a remote where you use. So this is the final look. Can you say it? You have the stand, you have the phone, you have the light, and you have the mic. So tell me what is stopping you. Hello dear content creator. You are good to go. Start making the money. Start giving out all the values you want to dish out. So that is that. And this is me doing my thing. It's, for iPhone users, you need to change this. You can see the mount. This one will not work with your phone, so you need to change it. You need to change this code. All right, that's that. Drop your comments. Thank you very much.